What's up guys, this is Rextrick and today we got the Sharp Aquos R, which is one of the most amazing phone I ever got. I mean, this thing is really amazing and it surprised me so much when I got this phone and when I heard the price there. So for 15,000 rupees for $100, I mean, this thing is really beast. I mean, the 4 gigs of RAM, 64 GB of storage, and the most important thing, the Snapdragon 35, which is capable of running all the games at 60 FPS, so which makes it one of the most cheapest phone out there to play PUBG on 60 FPS. Apart from that, the build quality is really premium. It comes with a classic build, and of course we have metallic frame over there, which looks so premium and hands for 15,000 rupees. I mean, this thing is really amazing. Apart from that, we have 120 Hz display. I mean, this thing is ridiculous. I mean, the 120 Hz display, which looks amazing and which is super smooth and amazing at this price tag. I mean, it's super smooth without any lag, so I have no words for the display, and it can remind me with the display Samsung Galaxy S4 from the front side. So apart from that, we have 23 megapixel camera on the back and 16 megapixel on the front, so the camera combination is really good, and I think the camera aperture is around 2.0, I guess. I don't know exactly. So yeah, the camera is really good, but I have some issues with that camera, and this is the issue with the camera UI. It is one of the worst UI ever seen. User interface, I mean, sometimes it sucks. I mean, don't know how to focus, how to record. So yeah, these are some pictures, but the camera UI is one of the worst. Apart from that, you can record 4K videos, 1080p 60 fps, and 1080p 120 fps, and 720p 240 fps. This is it, and here it is. One of the most amazing thing about this phone is the performance. So it is the cheapest phone to play PUBG on 60 FPS with extreme graphics, smooth plus extreme, I mean. And yeah, it surprised me so much when it comes to PUBG performance. I just love this phone for PUBG, and the PUBG experience with the 120 Hz display is really amazing. And I think it is the cheapest phone right now to play PUBG with 60 FPS. Of course, the Zero Force is out of the phone, but it is a bit expensive than this phone. So for PUBG, this thing is really amazing. So this is about the Sharp Aquos R. This is just a quick look and it's just a quick review, but I will posting a lot of things with this phone. I will playing PUBG, a full review, camera test, another stuff like that. So for that, you have to subscribe me on YouTube, and the next video is about the PUBG experience, the battery life. So a lot of things are coming with this phone. So yeah, at first glances, I mean, this phone is really good and it surprised me so much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe if you are on this channel. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.